What's up, guys? Today we're unboxing and checking out a flagship device by the brand NUU Mobile. They were nice enough to send this out. They wanted me to talk about the features that this phone has out of the box, so that's what we're gonna do. The model that we're taking a look at, it's called the B30 Pro, and it's a 5G device. So let's turn the camera around, let's take a quick look and check out the features. So check it out, guys. Here's the package where the phone came in. As you guys can see, it's a small standard package. Here's some of the specs as well and the barcode. So let's bring it out. So the phone came nicely packaged. I've actually been using it for a couple of days. It's a very unique phone. It's lightweight and it has this nice curved design. It does come pre-installed with like a screen protector in the front. And let me tell you about the color. The color looks really cool and it has 3 cameras. One of the main cameras in the rear is a 108 megapixel camera. The second camera is a 5 megapixel camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera with a flash. It does offer the new branding right here. On the right side, we do have the power button. The power button right here, the volume rocker as well. Here in the front, we do have the front-facing camera, which is a 32 megapixel camera built into the display. But as you guys can see, it looks like a very nice phone. I like the design. It looks like high-end. It feels like a nice plastic design. I like that the fingerprints don't stick to it. It's not a matte finish, but it's like a nice kind of like silky finish. Here on the top, we do have it looks like a microphone and possibly a speaker. In the bottom, we do have a USB-C port and the SIM card slot with some speakers. Let me open up the SIM card slot because this is, I believe, a dual SIM phone. So perfect for people that want to use this phone with 2 SIM cards. So it looks like you do one on one side and one on the other side. So 2 SIM cards. It looks like we cannot expand the memory. It's just the SIM card slots right there. And that's how this goes in there. The phone out of the box is running Android, I believe Android 13. System Android 13 right off the box. The phone itself does have 256 gigs of memory, so let me show you. I have downloaded a couple apps on there, so system uses about 20 gigs and we use about 32 gigs with a couple apps and games that I download, but 256 gigs of internal memory. The software looks really clean, pretty much standard Android. So I forgot to mention the size of the display. The display is a 6.7 AMOLED display. It does offer full HD display with 120 hertz of refresh rate. The phone itself internally does have a built-in battery, which is a 5,000 milliamp battery. And as I mentioned, it does have 256 gigs of memory and it does have 12 gigs of RAM as well. So phone looks really sharp. The colors look nice. And let me test out the volume. So it looks like we have the dual side speakers at the bottom, speakers on the top. So it's the perfect entertainment phone. Music sounds nice with these speakers as well. Another feature that I like is the lock screen feature. So you can unlock your phone 2 ways or multiple ways. You can unlock it with the face recognition, or it has a built-in fingerprint sensor on the display. So my fingerprint is already programmed. So as you saw, it unlocked it. If for any reason we don't have the code, we can set, if we don't have our fingerprint, we can do our code. So it's a sharp and fast unlock. And the processor on this phone is a octa-core processor. It's a Dimensity 750 processor with 2.6 gigahertz. So very nice processor. The software looks clean, as I mentioned. Very clean, standard Android 13. The battery, as I also forgot to mention, you do get a charger inside the box, and it does offer 30 watts of fast charging. So you get a USB-C to USB-C cable. You get this charging block from NUU, and pretty much 30 watts of fast charging. And they were also nice enough to send some stickers and a beautiful clear case. So you get the full package with this flagship device by NUU Mobile. So, and pretty much to end this walkthrough of this phone, the cameras are also a nice part of this phone. So we're gonna test out the cameras and see how detailed the camera is. And as you guys can see, you can get all the wrinkles and everything very detailed. So it looks really good. Some of the features on the phone, on the camera, is face beauty, panorama. We got more. So 108 megapixel. So more details, better used and bright. So it looks really good. And night mode as well. So very nice, clean camera. So 3 cameras, 32 megapixel on the front, 6.7 AMOLED display, and running Android 13. So looks like a very good, well-made device by NUU Mobile. We just wanted to give you guys a quick walkthrough of the features. And if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments. We'll try and answer them for you guys. Have a good one.